Hi everyone, we're in semi-lockdown here in Melbourne, and since we can't go out camping, we've decided to make our own fire for dinner. We've got our Ezy Q rotisserie and we are cranking it up ready for our dinner tonight. Now the meat's just gone on. Certainly looks good, that's for sure. Yum. Oh, let's give that 10 hours. We'll see how we go. A progress video coming along nicely. S'more time. Okay, so while we've got the camp oven going, we're going to make some s'mores. I've seen this somewhere, I'm not 100% sure where, but basically we've got a cone and we put some of these tiny little marshmallows in and little bits of chocolate into the cone, wrap it up in aluminium foil and put it over the heat, and then it melts all inside and creates a gooey, sticky, yummy, sugary s'mores, and that's our dessert. So we'll see how that goes.
Right now we're making s'mores. It's really
I think it might be nearly ready. Yum-o. Okay, so we've been going almost 3 hours now and we think we're nearly ready. So we're about to take it off and get the taste sensation happening. Cheers. Move gauge. That's the ball, that's the ball. Still cutting. What do you reckon, kids?
Tastes good.
Heating up the s'mores, so we'll see what they look like soon.
Now, what is this, kid?
So it's all melted.
Glue gun.
Broken it all up.
Probably more like a 7 now.
6.5.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Tastes all good, all melted together.
Yeah.
Yum.
Mum's Karen.